If you've ever needed to share your screen quickly but don't want to download any software, CrankWheel is the perfect solution. In this quick explainer, I'm going to show you exactly how to share your screen without downloads, all through a simple and seamless process. Stick around till the end because I'll also share an exclusive deal that gives you extended access to this tool for free. To get started, CrankWheel allows you to share your screen instantly, no downloads, no installations. This is super helpful for remote work, customer support, or even just showing someone what you're working on in real time. Next thing, the process is as easy as clicking a link. Once you're logged into CrankWheel, you'll see an option to generate a sharing link. All you need to do is send this link to the person you want to share your screen with. They'll be able to see everything you're doing in real time without needing to download any software. The viewer can join directly from their browser. The fourth thing to mention is that CrankWheel also works across devices. Whether you're on a desktop, laptop, or even a tablet, you can start sharing your screen with just one click. Your audience won't need to worry about device compatibility or browser restrictions. Now, let's talk about security. With CrankWheel, you get end-to-end encryption, which means your screen shares are safe and private. This makes it a great choice for professional meetings or sensitive information, knowing that your session is secure. Next thing, it's super fast and reliable. CrankWheel uses an optimized connection, so your screen sharing doesn't lag or experience major delays. This is especially important when you need to show something in real time, whether it's a presentation or technical troubleshooting. And the best part? You can try it for completely free right now, with no credit card required, through the first link below. Plus, if you sign up today, you'll get an exclusive bonus to extend your free trial. By now, you should see how easy it is to share your screen without downloads using CrankWheel. It's efficient, secure, and works on any device with just a link. If you want to give it a try yourself, make sure you check out the first link in the description for your exclusive free trial access. Remember, CrankWheel makes it easier than ever to share your screen instantly, so don't miss out on the bonus offer linked below.